Hey guys, welcome back to The Blind Side, and for those of you new to the channel, or maybe this is the first video of mine that you've seen, I am completely blind, so if the camera's not in the right position, I apologise, but today you've only got to listen. This is a video in the What Is series, and today we're going to discuss one of the most mysterious objects in space, a quasar. A quasar is the brightest object that we've ever observed. And it's quite funny, really, because as we're going to find out, the brightest object is caused by one of the darkest objects, if not the darkest object, a black hole. If you look, you'll see Hubble's 100,000th image was of thousands of galaxies. And in that picture, there is one. It looks like a galaxy. It's brighter than all the other objects in there. It's actually billions of light years further away than the galaxies. And it's a quasar. That's how bright they are. They're brighter than thousands of galaxies. And basically, we've discussed in a previous video what is a black hole. You can check that out if you go through the videos on the channel. It was one of the first videos. In fact, the second video that I uploaded, the very first video in the What Is series. So a black hole is caused by the death of a star, and it's an object where the gravity is so strong that nothing can escape it, not even light. And a quasar is basically a supermassive black hole, so a huge black hole with massive mass. And the brightness is caused by this black hole sucking in stars and debris around it. It's a very fast rotating black hole, and the spin and the friction caused by it devouring all these stars causes a halo around it. This halo is so bright, as I said, it's brighter than thousands of galaxies. One of the largest structures in space is actually 9 quasars that are gravitationally bound, hundreds of thousands of light years separating them, but they are gravitationally bound. We don't really understand why. We think that quasars were created in the early part of the universe's evolution, and because they're billions of light years away, I mean, these guys are 9 to 13 billion light years away. They're the closest and furthest quasars that we've observed here using our Hubble telescope. And the hope is that next year, when the James Webb telescope is launched, that we're going to be able to understand these things a little bit better. It should give us better views than we've ever seen before. And obviously I'll be doing an update as and when the findings come out from that. But yeah, the chances are that these things don't actually exist anymore, because obviously it's taken billions of years for the light to get to us. So they seem to get brighter as time goes on, and then the theory is that eventually they're going to have devoured all of the matter around them, and then you're just going to have a black hole that's left. And obviously, eventually, trillions of years in the future, the black hole will lose its mass through the Hawking's radiation principle, which we'll discuss in a later video, and then become nothing. But that's what a quasar is. It's a black hole devouring matter around it. Friction causes a huge halo, tens of hundreds of light years across, and brighter than thousands of galaxies combined. Bear in mind, you're talking about many, many trillions of stars there. That's how bright these things are. The What Is series aims to look at things in a very simple way. I don't give you any of the scientific jargon that other videos would. That's a simpler explanation of a quasar. If you've got any suggestions on what you want me to look at in the What Is series, obviously the first 10 videos are going to be about space, and then we're going to move on to another topic. Please do comment in the video, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon. But remember, you'll see me before I see you. Take care, guys.